Dave Gardy here live for Golf Center TV at Washington Golf Center, and I have here again with me Mr. Kevin McClean, Regional Sales Manager for TaylorMade from Carlsbad, California. Kevin, I've got this friend of mine. He's hitting a club that shall remain nameless, a driver from the late 90s. It's big, let's just put it that way.
Sure.
Why should he switch at this point if he's happy?
Why should he switch it, whether he stays with the manufacturer that he's at or moves into new products? The technology from the 90s and the late 90s, let's say, that he has right now is obsolete. You'll see that drivers, especially drivers, irons, and golf equipment, has changed so much dramatically, and it changes usually about every 18 months. He's looking at about 4 generations of a driver that has passed him by.
Okay, so we're going to bring him up to the center today. 425 is attracting a lot of attention. What's it all about? What's the excitement about the 425?
That's a great question. The 425 is the newest driver from TaylorMade. It's part of the R7 family. When we came out with the R7 family back in May of 2004, it revolutionized the way golf was. Similar to the R7, you'll notice that there's 4 movable weights in the R7. What that does for the golfer is that allows the golfer to choose 6 different trajectories. They can change the weights in this club to change the trajectories on the golfer. What you can't see in this is that it also has inside here what we call our inverted cone technology. It's key because what that does is it makes his face like a trampoline, yet instead of just having to hit it in the center, anywhere on the face you can get it and get maximum distance. So it's going to be very, very forgiving with the inverted cone technology. It has ultra thin wall technology. Imagine that this titanium crown right here is the size of 2 pieces of paper together. What does that allow us to do? It allows us to put more weight where we need it, where you need it as a golfer. So say, for example, you have a draw, right? And you're drawing the ball too much and you're playing a course that has a lot of dogleg rights, right? You want to sit there and you want to play yourself and you want the ball to go from left to right versus the draw that's going left. What you'd end up doing is taking the heavier weights and putting them out on the toe. That'll allow you to change the trajectory of the ball without even changing the driver. At 425 cc's, it is an extremely forgiving club. We set up to it and it gives you confidence in address. Being able to move the weight will allow you to change your ball flight.
Excellent presentation. Thank you very much, Kevin.
Thank you.
And when we come back, we'll talk about the TaylorMade putter. Dave Gardy here for Golf Center TV.